Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see today, for the very first time ever on this channel in 4 years really, we're finally doing a holiday gifting ideas kind of a thing. And oh my god, let me just say how excited I am, because last year I was actually trying to post a video like that, but then after I filmed that I kind of realized that Christmas is gonna be in like 3 days and it's kind of late because by that time everyone already got gifts. So this year I'm actually partnering up with Sephora on this video, which makes me even more excited because, as you all know, I am obsessed with everything beauty and skincare and all this kind of stuff. So obviously this is the main thing that you guys are going to see here today on this video. So now without further ado, let's just get into the tea. So before we're gonna get started, I do want to mention a really fun fact about me, guys. Now, don't judge me though, but honestly, I'm one of these people that will actually go and buy gifts for myself, but I do actually have like, I can justify it. Do you know what I mean? I can actually justify that. And this is because obviously my family doesn't really live in the United States. So that's the tea. So as I said, I do go and buy things for myself. Now, the main reason for that is because the packaging always gets me, you guys. The holiday packagings are so beautiful. And I'm one of these people that really will go and just buy things for the beautiful packaging. I don't really know if I'm the only one, but let me all know, you guys, if you are actually purchasing things for like their beautiful packaging, or maybe I'm the only one, I don't know. But anyways, and obviously the main thing is savings. Hello, if you've been in here on this channel for way too long now, then you guys already know that I'm all about savings really. And obviously in most times you're gonna be getting something, for example, that's worth $200 but only gonna be paying $100. So again, this is like a big vibe, like a big mood. And then lastly, it's the main reason, which is everything limited edition. So most likely once it's gone, it's gone. And this time it's for real and it's not like fake gone. It's, you know, because obviously companies and brands are making a certain amount for the holiday season. And then again, if it's sold out, it's sold out. And as you all know, sold out, those are the worst 2 words that you can probably ever hear. So now you guys, without further ado, I want to show you what I chose for my Christmas gifts, or I should really say my Hanukkah gifts. So the first item I'm going to be sharing with you guys today has to be one of my favorite products of all time. Also, let me just, guys, tell you something if you didn't know. This is actually one of Sephora's best seller. And no wonder, once again, this is literally because, as I said, and I'm pretty sure everyone are kind of like me really, and kind of use it like every single day or like even a few times a day. So as you guessed it, this has to be the Beauty Blender, the Jewels Crown set. Now first thing first, it is pink, so this is like a whole vibe and a mood as for itself. Now this set actually retails for $65. However, the value of this set is $112, which is like amazing because you're kind of like saving almost like $50. Now inside, what you have is actually 4 different beauty blenders. Now just for clarification, those are the actual beauty blender size. So this is not the mini ones, this is not the blush ones or the concealer one. Those are full-size beauty blenders, which is again a vibe. And also, as you can see, it comes with these really cute gem-shaped kind of like soaps. So each one of them comes with a soap, which is super cute. And you also getting the foundation sample set inside. I really like samples because this is kind of give you the opportunity to try everything at home and not in store, and you kind of like, do I like it, do I not like it, you know, stuff like that. So for me, again, it's a whole vibe and a mood. This is definitely one of my favorite gift set that I've seen so far, and I thought that again financially it's kind of like worth it to me because again I do spend a whole lot of money on beauty blenders. So that's the tea. Now moving into the second set that I chose for my very good friend Gabby. I don't know if I should have said that because I hope that, well, she doesn't watch my videos. So there's that. So don't tell her that I said so. But anyways, this is the Jo Malone, and hopefully I pronounce it right, Cologne Collection. Now inside of that, you're actually going to be getting 5 different of their, you know, bestseller scents. Now let me just say before I'm even getting started, if you do know the brand, you also know that those are like luxury scents, and those are like so pricey and expensive. So the fact that they did this set is kind of like so thoughtful, because I mean, you know, like you don't really want to spend $100, $125 on one scent. So that's like a really good way to like try them all for someone who really likes, you know, fragrance and scents and all this kind of stuff. So definitely this is like such a great gift, because again, you can obviously try all different 5 of them, and you can obviously put them in like, you know, your cute little bag when you go. If you guys know, then the mini bags are so in right now fashion wise, and trust me, seems like this is the only thing that can fit in them. Not even your phone. So, I mean, this is the mini bag approved, if you know what I mean. So definitely this is, I feel like this is such a great choice. And obviously, because they are kind of like minis, I feel like you can put it in one closet, you know what I mean? Or even, I don't know, like for someone who really like different scents, I feel like this is such a great gift. And this is definitely something that I would love to be getting if I wasn't allergic to scents, unfortunately, as you guys all know. But again, I decided to get it for my best friend because she deserved it. But then again, I was like, $125 for one is kind of like over the top maybe. But then getting 5 for like, you know, a lower price is a vibe. So yeah, so those were my choices for the holiday gift set, so that you guys obviously, you know, get something for yourself before you get anyone else. But then you can also get to anyone else, you know, your mom, your dad, anyone you want to get a gift to. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me all know in the comment section below which gift set did you guys like most. Also, did you guys already started with your Christmas shopping? Let me all know, because I kind of feel like this is early, because as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, last year I did this video like 3 days before Christmas, so I don't really know. But again, maybe I'm kind of like last minute always, so maybe that's why. I don't really know. Anyways, you guys, that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I do want to wish you a happy holiday season, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!